What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm holding my two factory mirror caps from my 2023 Civic Type R. Why, you may ask? That's because I just installed SynthCarbon's real carbon fiber mirror cap replacements as well as the shark fin antenna. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll show you the process. Let's go. The tools you need for this install are some gloves for added grip and maybe a plastic pry tool to get your mirrors off. All right, some of you may ask, hey Tin, you just got your car. Why are you getting new mirror caps? Well, if you see there, right there is a deep scratch line right here that came during shipping, and the dealer did not want to replace it, and Honda corporate said, well, we don't want to replace it either, so it's up to me. All right, let's get started. You grab your pry tool and your fingies, run your fingers down here. You can pull it up. Use your pry tool to help out. Create a gap from the mirror and you start prying. You get up to here. Get your pry tool in there, start prying outwards if you can. All right, and it's off. So here we go, it's off. Mirror is exposed, and we'll put on the carbon fiber mirror cap. All right, I got my carbon fiber mirror cap here. Install is as easy, maybe easier than taking off the mirror cap. You just want to put it back on in the same orientation as best as you can. Make sure everything's clipped in. All right, we finally got the mirror cap installed. It is looking beautiful. The only small gripe I have is right here. Fit and finish is okay. I mean, there's a little gap right there, but big picture, I don't think anybody would notice, so we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and install on the other side. All right, driver's side is done. Fit and finish on this one. There's a gap right there. There's a small gap right here. But once again, from far away, I don't think anybody would notice, and they look absolutely beautiful with that light. I'll try to get nice pictures of them when they're outside in the sunlight. So stay tuned for that. Also from SynthCarbon, I got the shark fin antenna overlay. Now this one is an overlay. So as you see, there's 3M adhesive tape in here. So I'll just add that onto the shark fin. So let's go. All right, fellas, look at that. Carbon fiber shark fin overlay is on. Fit is spot on, in my opinion. Let me do a walk around here. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. All right, one last modification we have today. I got this bunny shift knob cover from a local artisan for 13 bucks. Let's open it, because I live in a climate where it's hot sometimes, it's cold sometimes, and I don't want to be super cold when I touch this, or when it's too hot outside, I don't want to burn my hands. So let's take this out. This is hand knitted or crocheted. I don't know what the right word is. But I sent her the measurement of the shift knob, and this is what I got. So let's see how the fit is. Look at that. That is perfect fit. And I can still shift just fine. Or I can just use this as a cover when I'm not driving to keep it warm or cold depending on the weather. And that looks beautiful to me. Here is her card information. I'll also put a link to her bio in my description. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.